Hi everyone, let's create amazing videos for free. This is Fliki.iai and you're going to love this. Let's start. Sign up with your Google account and we're in. Click on New File. Here you have some sample videos and this is where your videos will be. Let's do a video. Choose the file name, the language, the dialect, the ratio, and let's start with an idea. But you can also start with a PowerPoint or a PDF. You can start with a blog. This is amazing. Now we have to describe the idea prompt. You can use stock media and you can use AI media, or both. You can also choose the style. Let's go with cinematic. You can do it in English or any other language. I chose Portuguese. Now that you have your video, you can edit. If you don't like a picture, click on it and you have several options. You can choose from your library and choose one of your files, or choose it from the internet. You can change the music, you can change the voiceover. This is, oh my god, I love it, don't you? And there you have it. It's this simple and you create amazing videos. Here's another example.
Unlocking a healthier you, easy and practical healthy tips. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle? Today, we'll share simple yet effective tips. Start by drinking water. Hydrating adequately promotes better skin, weight loss, and overall body function. Say goodbye to sodas. Love your greens. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is a powerful weapon against chronic diseases. Be a veggie lover. Exercise regularly. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park or an intense gym session, get your body moving. Rest is essential. Prioritize sleep and relaxation to rejuvenate your body and mind. Remember, quality sleep is a health booster. Finally, maintain a positive mindset. Healthy living is not just physical, it's mental too. Believe in your health journey, and you're halfway there.
So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.